Namaskar friends, this is Dr. Santosh Pandey with my, I don't want to claim that he's my patient, but he's good friend and patient. And really he's a guiding force, and since we like each other so much and that, in many ways, and that's why I requested him to come today to give us little ideas what we do. You all know what I'm into acupuncture and naturopathy, and we are dealing with lots of cases. Earlier he has come again, means I think 3-4 months back for his frozen shoulder treatment, got cured very nicely. He has spoken about us, but in this pandemic again he suffered with COVID, friends. So the way he suffered, the way he was not feeling up to the mark, and again we requested him to come, and we did something, and just I wanted to show you what results he has got. He wanted to share with all of you friends. So now over to Arjun ji, and please.
Hi, good evening everybody, and all those listening to me. Love you. To begin with, let me tell you that today this is a face-to-face talk, and this is the first time I'm coming after COVID live. So to all my fans and people listening to me, believe you me, there's a myth going on that there is no COVID. COVID थोड़ी है, and तो बस खाली ऐसा ही है. Different segments of people have got different kind of ideas, and they talk anything whatever they feel like. But trust you me, this goddamn COVID is prevailing at every nook and corner. I have been telling earlier that safety measures have to be taken and adhered to. Now, for keeping distances and wearing masks and kind of, you have to wash your hands and all. But then now, in this third phase is going to come, and it's really going to be very crucial. To begin with, let me tell you that I had come here for the frozen shoulders, which I have told already that he's a miracle man, and he may not claim me to be close to him, but I think he's a younger brother of mine and a family friend. I really love him a lot, not because of anything else, but because he's a philanthropist. मैंने कई लोगों को सिर्फ दुआएं देते हुए देखा हूं यहाँ. So many people, they come here and they just put their hands up and bless him, and that's because they are relieved of their pain, and I'm one of them. Now, to begin with, I'll tell you that, as I had said, that I had come here because of my frozen shoulders. It got all right, then we interacted and we became more of a family. Now, unfortunately, I was diagnosed with COVID. And honestly speaking, I suffered a lot. आज मेरे लिए डॉक्टर संतोष क्लिनिक एक ऐसा लग गया है कि भाई यहाँ आना ही आना है, काम हो या ना हो. क्योंकि इस शख्स के साथ मिलके कहते हैं कि पॉजिटिव इंसान के साथ रहो, पॉजिटिव माहौल में रहो, तो इंसान के अंदर पॉजिटिविटी आती है. और वही चीज मैंने देखा है कि बहुत लोगों के पास आई है, और बहुत लोगों के पास आई है, और हुआ है, अच्छा हुआ है. तो मेरी आप लोगों से एक नम्र विनंती है, गुजारिश है, a request that for anything furtherance in life, do come to this miracle man, Dr. Santosh Pandey, my Sandy. He's not a doctor, he's a musician, trust me. और ये कोई और नहीं बोल रहा है, अर्जुन आपको बोल रहा है.
So thank you. That's why I just requested you to talk about this thing, because I have been seeing lots of people are suffering from COVID. They don't know, post-COVID I would say rather, they don't know what to do, where to go. Lots of medications are there, and of course if you are having chemical indulgence, there are some side effects also of the medicines.
And one more thing, doctor, let me tell you one thing, that this clinic comprises of so many things. It is not only needles and cushions. No. You get HHO, which is absolutely new, a phenomenal oxygen therapy, which I think, Dr. Sahab, मुझे नहीं लगता कि कहीं और मैंने सुना है.
We started hydrogen and oxygen first in India, which we call hydrogen therapy. Along with that, we have started oxygen therapy, which is also very good. But in this COVID, we have been most post-COVID cases, we have been getting lots of good results. wonderful results even after post COVID, because of the medication. Sometimes means diabetes increases a lot. So for those cases also we are getting very good result, very good experience with Arjun.
I would like to share this experience with me that I was given some steroids which increases the diabetes, and my diabetes went to 356. Oh my God, I was shaken up because I was scared about my kidney, though that doctor told me, don't worry, this steroid Visolin or something, which will increase, but I was scared. I'm a layman. So I said, pata nahi meri kidney ko kuch ho jayega. I told doctor, so he started smiling. He put some pins in my ears, and trust me, after 11th or 12th day, when I checked my diabetes, it's a fact. It was 156 pre-lunch. I mean, what's that called? This thing, it was 156, and post-lunch it was 151. So this is the thing, the results. And besides this, we have got so many departments for acupuncture and this and that and so many things. Here we have a sound therapy also, which can really do wonders. It is such a solace. It is such, the magnanimity I will not be able to express in words unless and until you come and experience. वो कहते हैं ना कि एक रूफ में सारी चीजें हैं. तो मैं ज्यादा कुछ ना कहते हुए इतना ही कहूँगा कि आप डॉक्टर संतोष पांडे के क्लिनिक में आ जाइए. एक ही रूफ में आपकी सारी समस्याओं का समाधान मिल जाएगा आपको.
Thank you.
Love you.
So we tried means all the modality of integrated medication, all drugless therapies are there, and we wish everybody happy, healthy, and fit life. Thank you all.
Thank you so much. Love you all.